Yes, to continue the third section of the lecture 5, cystic diseases of the kidney. These are, from its name, cystic disease, معناها the main lesion in these diseases is the cystic formation in the renal parenchyma. Cystic formation in the renal parenchyma. هسه شقد the severity of the cyst, شقد the impact on the renal function. This depends on the number of the cyst, the nature of the cyst and its content. These are heterogeneous group comprising hereditary or developmental and not hereditary or acquired disorders. The importance of cystic kidney diseases, some forms such as the adult polycystic kidney disease are major cause of chronic renal failure. وهسه راح نعرف شلون نسوي chronic renal failure in the incoming slides. They can occasionally be confused with the malignant tumors in the radiographic imaging. These can be divided, يعني cystic diseases of the kidney can be divided into either simple renal cysts or نسميه polycystic kidney disease. A simple renal cyst, these are either multiple or single cystic spaces vary in diameter. إذا نروح على الصورة جاي تشوفون هذا السي تي سكان. هذه هي cyst. This is the section of the kidney, or this is the kidney in the CT scan, and here is the cyst appear on the kidney. الميزة مالتها طبعا هي سواء كانت عادة تكون single، بس حتى إذا كانت multiple it have no clinical significance. Why? Because it is mostly arise in the cortex of the kidney. حتى إذا كانت multiple not single it has no clinical importance because it do not affect the renal function. Okay? حتى إذا كانت multiple. Mostly تكون smooth, glistening, لماعة, and its content is a clear fluid. تمام. ومثل ما قلنا this have no clinical impact on the renal function. اكو عندنا ما يسمى بالdialysis associated acquired cyst. هذا هو acquired form of the cysts. This occur in the kidney of the patients with end-stage renal disease who have undergone prolonged dialysis. لذلك نسميه acquired form. يعني هو ما كان موجود اصلا بس صار في حالات prolonged dialysis. They are present in both cortex and medulla and may bleed and causing hematuria. النوع الآخر هو البوليسيستيك kidney disease. البوليسيستيك kidney disease عندنا two forms. يا إما نسميه الأوتوسومال dominant اللي هو الأدلت type اللي هو mostly appear in the adults، وعندنا لا الأوتوسومال recessive اللي هو appear in the children. Autosomal dominant adult polycystic kidney disease characterized by multiple expanding cysts of both kidneys that ultimately destroy the intervening parenchyma. عادة هذه تكون موجودة not only in the cortex but involving the cortex and medulla. Multiple cysts. تفتح الكدني على طول تلقاها completely filled by cystic changes. هذا cyst expanding cyst, so it will cause a compression on the intervening parenchyma and causing its atrophy and hence affect the renal function. And this accounts for 10% of cases of chronic renal failure because of the atrophy of the intervening parenchyma and disturbing the function of the kidney. طبعا this is of genetic base. Most cases associate with a mutation in the polycystic kidney disease 1 gene اللي هو present on chromosome 16. هذا producing a polycystin 1 protein. And another amount associate with a mutation in polycystic kidney disease 2 gene this responsible about expression of polycystin 2. شنو وظيفتهم هذول البروتينات؟ mediating the cell to cell and cell to matrix adhesion. يسوون يعني responsible about the adhesion between two cells or between the adjacent cells in the kidney and the cells with extracellular matrix. لذلك من يصير بهم mutation يكونون defective polycystin 1 and 2. ايش راح يصير؟ راح يصير separation of the cells from each other and between the cells and matrix. So the mutation of these genes cause defect in the cell matrix interaction and then the cyst formation. In the morphology, kidneys are markedly enlarged because of presence of large number of cysts which filled by fluids, okay, or filled by fluid. Some of the fluid is clear and other turbid and other are hemorrhagic. Microscopic examination reveals some normal parenchymal disperse among the cysts. يعني البارنكايما بالmicroscopic appearance راح تكون يجي فد minimal because it is atrophied وهذه السيست involving any level of the nephron. يعني لربما نلقى احنا الجلوميرولس swim inside الجلوميرولار tuft swim inside the cyst أو أحيانا involving the proximal part of the convoluted tubule and sometimes involving even the collecting tubule. And here is the gross appearance of the polycystic kidney adult type. Look at the cysts from in the gross in the outline. Some of them filled by clear fluid like this one. It appears to be transparent, and some appears to be opaque, and some appear to be black or dark in color because it is filled with hemorrhagic fluid content. جاي تشوفون انه بالسكشن يعني after cutting of the kidney نلقى انه هذه هي البوليسيست involving all the renal parenchyma, both cortex and medulla, containing multiple cysts that disturb the renal parenchyma. Look at the intervening parenchyma remaining here, okay, and here is another portion of the renal parenchyma as well as here. So this is markedly affect the renal function because the remnant amount of the renal parenchyma is so little, and there is a marked reduction in the renal function. Thank you very much.